How to enable camera access on TikTok on iPhone and iPads. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to enable camera access on TikTok on iPhone and iPads. So let's begin. The very first step is to open your settings app and then scroll down to the bottom of the page until you can see the Apps section. So under the Apps section, you just simply search for TikTok. So this is on alphabetical order, so you may search for TikTok easily. So once you're in TikTok, click TikTok and make sure to turn on the camera access by clicking on the toggle button on the rightmost part of camera. So click on it and make sure that the toggle button will turn into green and not gray. So let's say for example that you don't have this option right here, which is the camera access option. Then what I would suggest is to delete your TikTok app and then reinstall it once again. So to do that, you just go to your home screen, look for TikTok and press and hold on TikTok, click on remove app and click on delete app right here. So assuming that you have now deleted your TikTok app, you may now go to your app store and search for TikTok and then make sure to click on that download button on the rightmost part of TikTok. So now you may go back to that settings once again and then look for TikTok once again. Make sure to turn on the camera access and then that's it. That's how you can enable camera access on TikTok on iPhone and iPads.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.